Hi, in today's video I will show you how to set up shipping page on Shopify store. Let's begin. Go to this online store, hit page, add page, and let's write then shipping policy, right? And let's put like shipping inside the United States takes 2 to 5 days. Other orders sent elsewhere may take 25 days to arrive. Something like that. Please order on time before holidays or something like that. Okay, this is nice. Okay, let's save this, and then we are going to add it to the legal pages. You have this legal thing, probably, and add page. Oh, I don't see it here. So where is it? I think it's page. Okay, I don't have that. Why I don't have that? Go to pages and let's see if we have it. Ah, shipping is here. Okay, let's try it again. I go to legal and I'm gonna add it, and I'm going to the pages. Oh, it's here. I'm not sure whether I didn't see it. Anyways, it's here. Shipping policy, and I'm gonna move it here like shipping and then refund, right? Let's save it. And now let's see how the store looks like. Yeah, shipping policy is here. Everything is here. So shipping policy. Shipping inside the United States takes 2 to 5 days. Orders sent elsewhere may take. I'm so sorry for the grammar mistakes because I'm not that good in English. But I think you get the point. Thank you for watching.